Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle is featured in red metallic paint with alloy rims, black front grille. We also have heated seats and heated steering wheel and reverse camera. Now moving on to the interior of the Kona, we'll take a look at a few of the interior features. On our door panel here we have our door handle, speaker tweeter, window and mirror controls with speaker and storage underneath. You can see the front seats are featured in a nice two-tone black and textured gray pattern in the lower portion. They're heated seats. We have our radio with integrated backup camera, some controls on our steering wheel for the radio and cruise control. There's also a heated steering wheel wrapped in leather. Our odometer here with screen in the middle. Then we have some lighting settings off to the left of the steering wheel. Now back onto the exterior of the Kona, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Hyundai badge center caps. We have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles. And then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Kona badging, as well as all-wheel drive badging featured in chrome. Our lift gate, which features a privacy shelf and plenty of storage on the inside. Now onto the rear interior of the Kona. We can see we have our door handle and the rear door panel, as well as our window switch, armrest, speaker, and storage. The rear seats are featured in a 60-40 split bench in the same black and gray fabric combination. And we have our fold-down center seat, which features two cup holders and an armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2020 Hyundai Kona. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.